Is your LG refrigerator making a loud grinding noise whenever you use the water dispenser? About 85% of these issues stem from a failing water inlet valve or a struggling ice maker motor. Let us break down how to diagnose the source of that annoying sound. Before you touch any components, unplug the fridge and shut off the water supply to ensure your safety. The grinding usually comes from a mineral-clogged inlet valve or worn gears inside the ice maker assembly. Try replacing your water filter first, as restricted flow often forces the valve to vibrate and grind. Replacing a filter is a simple DIY job, but replacing a failed water inlet valve requires more technical skill. This chart shows the approximate costs for parts, ranging from cheap filters to more expensive motor assemblies. For advanced testing, use a multimeter to verify if the valve is receiving the correct voltage during activation. You will need a basic toolkit including a multimeter and nut drivers to access the rear valve assembly. Remember that safety is your top priority, so never force a part if you are unsure of the wiring. If the noise persists after these checks, it might be time to call a pro. See you next time.